Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Friends, how does muscarinic receptors act on blood vessel endothelium? How does muscarinic receptors act on blood vessel endothelium? So if you see this, muscarinic receptors will release nitric oxide and thus causes vasodilatation. So there is no direct cholinergic supply to the blood vessels. There is no direct cholinergic supply in blood vessels. So this is about the muscarinic receptors on blood vessels. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.